Hey guys, took a Ellis today. Look at a loss for $1,792. Definitely wasn't my best performance. And it's like, as a trader that want to become a successful full-time trader, like, this is hard. And I'm on year almost 3 pretty much. And it's like, I know I'm getting better, but it's like, why am I not executing the things that I learned? For example, I'm not disciplined. I need to take profit. Why am I not waiting for my confluences to come together and take the trade and win the trade? Like, why am I not doing that? Like, that makes no sense to me. So we're gonna see all my bad habits that I did. But here's the news that came out for the day. We had ADP non-farm employment change negative, red folder, premium GDP quarterly 2.1 negative, the prelim GDP price negative, trade good price negative. Like, so to me, I feel like I relied too much on the news, but I was waiting. I thought I could get in early on my trade and take profits early. Again, I trade while I'm at work, so it's like I should have paid more attention to that. So we're gonna go straight into the trade so you guys can see exactly what I was talking about. But we're looking at it on TradingView. I have my trend line, of course, but I don't have it on right here. But I should have waited till underneath this right here, underneath this support, so around like 4,500. Once it broke the low, then I could have gotten some trade or wait for a retest and look for a trade. But again, I'm looking at the news. I'm looking for something negative. So I see that the market's coming up. It came bullish, but then the market opens. Boom. So a big blue candle. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm going to get in for, 3 positions at a 25 lot size. And I got in, and I'm thinking it's going to hold. But it lied to me. The market lied to me, y'all. Since when? The market always lies to us. Like, I don't know. Me and the market, we got to build our relationship back together. It's going to come back together, I promise. And you can see when, like, you get a bad trade, it messes up your attitude, your demeanor. Like, it makes you not want to do them for us today. Like, you don't want to talk to nobody. You don't want to text nobody. You don't want to do none of that. Like, right now I'm down $300. I'm still up in my account at $101,500. I'm still up. And also, I am a scalper. So, like, I shouldn't be in positions for long. I should have been got out that trade. It went past the candle. I should have been got out. And I took a toll. I took a loss. And I'm a loss for words for what I did. Because I'm not disciplined. Like, I'm on day 6 right now. Like, what am I doing? Like, the market looks so choppy. Look at that. Look at the watch list. Negatives. So it's like, I'm waiting for a negative play. But so now I'm going in for a sell. I'm thinking it's gonna go back down. So I'm going for 3 more positions. You think that stuff went right for me? No, it didn't. It went opposite of me again. And I'm like, dude, look at that. All right, boom. I'm taking profits. So again, I should have waited until it broke the low of this or the high of this pre-market high. It didn't do neither, so I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting. I'm like, yeah, come on, baby. Have you ever traded and like you just talking to it, or you just praying while you in your trade, like, please God. I was doing that all day today. I ain't gonna lie to you, and it was not going in my favor. My feelings was getting hurt. I was sad, etc. And I'm just looking at the candle. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? I'm down to $8,300. The market's only been open for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes. What am I doing? Like, that's how I was feeling on the inside. But that's not exactly what I was doing. I was just frustrated. So, by now, bro, I should really took out this play. I'm down $450. But again, I'm holding on to the word hope. And let my subconscious, like, tear me apart, and that should be a big no. Like, no. I need to control my mind and what I'm doing. like the fact that I let that control me and I stayed in my trade longer. You should have a feeling when you know in a market that the trade is gonna go opposite the direction you go in. So, and that's what it was doing. So I'm still waiting on the play, and I'm seeing it just rise, like literally it's rising. So I'm like, okay, cool. Right now, I'm just waiting for a trade. So now this is the last setup right here. Again, I missed all of this. It went bullish. I missed my setups. So off this trade right here, I got in. I'm like, okay, it is consolidating right here. So I want to get in for the break. I should have waited for the break. I should have waited for the break. But I got in early. So I'm like, okay, I got in for 4 positions. Again, for the 25 lot sizes. And I'm like, okay, let's see this break higher. But it did not break higher, and I didn't take my profits. So with that being said, the market is now coming back down, reversing on me, and the market's gonna fall back, which result me into another loss. Feelings is hurt. And normally I don't take trades like this. I usually wait for a retracement on the 50 or on the 1618, and it didn't go to none of those. It was pretty much just staying above the 8 MA and the 20. So if I was in this trade, I would have been trailing it, but it didn't happen. So I pretty much guessed that trade. It didn't match up with what I usually do. I'm looking for it. I'm holding on to the word hope. When I know it's gonna fall, that's another bad trade I took, and now I'm up $309 for the day. So the next trade I'm gonna show you guys on TradingView, I took it actually on my phone because I seen it while I work. But as you can see, I took another trade, and I made let me calculate that. 62.50 plus 62.50. Oops. It's 50, but it's 10 cents difference. Oh no, wait, I did that so wrong. 62.50 plus 52.50 plus 65 plus 65. Last trade, I made $370.10. So yeah. So I was really down like $2,000, like over $2,000. If I didn't have this trade, like if you take that plus 17, plus you mother jucker. Just say 350 plus 1792. That's how much I was down for the day. But this trade helped me out a lot. I'm grateful for this trade. But learning from this trade, I did not do what I was supposed to do for the day. I didn't follow none of my confluences. As you can see right here, guys, pennant pattern, boom. I should have waited for the break above here, got in for a buy, had my stop right here. Then I could have played it all the way up to this resistance right here, or I could have held it bar by bar, and I'd have been done for the day. But I just didn't wait. I'm so focused on the news. I'm thinking the news is gonna make some big and make some shake for me, but the news didn't. So that's why as a trader, you can't really focus on just straight fundamental analysis. You gotta have your technicals ready, because the market can still do what it wants to do. There's so much stuff going on in the market besides the news, you know what I'm saying? So, and as traders, everybody has different things that they're looking at, what they trying to do, what's the mindset of the market. And you gotta sit here and wait and look at the market and see what the market wants to do. Right here, I could tell that the market is following the trend line. Cool. It's right here. I would have had a box right here. Could have been a resistance. Once it broke it, that's a buy, because it's making a new high. Stuff like that is what I should have paid attention to, and I didn't, and I need to get better at it. But again, what is this, day 6? I need to get better. But I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna keep grinding, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna beat this 100K challenge. Let's go.